Hello, so I found the Miss Z's in 120 millimeters here in Dallas, and oh my god, I got them. So I just wanted to post them because I had a really hard time looking for them. I actually placed an order online like, I don't know, 5 days ago, and it kept going back and forth between in process and ordered, and then we went to the nearest boutique near us just because I wanted to try on the size of like the soak cake versus the Miss Z, and they had them, so I got them. But I really wanted the 100 millimeter because I feel like that's like a normal size, but I couldn't say no. They were sold out of the 100, and these are my first pair of Louboutins. They're so pretty. I've wanted these forever. I've wanted these since I graduated college like 10 years ago. I just never found a reason to like buy them. And the Everlasting Sole and the cushion sold me. I tried them on. I tried these on and I tried the Socates, and these are way more comfortable. So I don't know, I love them. They're super high. They are super high, but the cushion, like, they're so pretty. We'll have to see if they're really worth it. I have a lot of opportunities in the next few months to test these out, but people said to size down half size. I'm an 8.5, and I ordered a 38, but when I went in store, she gave me a 38.5, and these fit perfect. So kind of glad I got to try these on. Can you tell I love them? They're so pretty. Bitch, look, it's red. Okay, but that is all. It's my birthday, and I thought it was meant to be when I went in the store and they had them, and so I have to, I don't know, I'll let you guys know. I'll do, I guess, a longer video on like how they are, but I haven't seen a lot of things on them. I was getting kind of antsy about like, why did I order and they didn't process, so I don't know, meant to be. I love them. We'll see when I try them out. Okay,